Okay, so I want to, uh, I'm creating an ordinal calendar that'll start at day one at some base date, and that base date will be DB, the MBYB, with the day, month, and year. This will be my base date, and this will be day one, and then the next day will be day two, etc., up to some date we're interested in, which we'll call DMY. And so we want to count it so every day will have an integer associated with it. So we'd have the first day, the second day, up to whatever day this is in order. It's called the ordinal numbers, and so we're going to calculate ORD, capital ORD of DMY. Okay. Now we'll establish a date, and to make it simple, we'll have it January the 1st of some year will be our day one. We'll be going from 1 in some year YB, and that's our day one. And we'll proceed again up to the day we're interested in, D uh, MY. Okay, what day of the calendar is that? Well, we're going to break it into pieces. Okay, so we'll do our first day, and then we'll keep on going until we get up to the year. Okay, uh, okay, we'll go January 1st of the year we're interested in. Before that, it's going to be the 31st of December of the year Y minus 1. And so this will work up to, say, DMY. Okay. Now, we have an expression for this number. This is our little ord, okay, of DMY. Okay, that's just awful. Okay, on your little ord of DMY. That's not much better, but it's a little better. And so we have an expression for that, which we'll bring up when we need it. And so we actually know how to calculate it. This right here, this consists of all the days from 1 of YB up to the end of the year before the year we're interested in. Okay. Um, so how do we count that? Okay. Well, we've got it in big chunks. Okay. So first off, if everything was cool, if everything was easy, we could just say, well, that number of days is 365 times the number of years. Well, how many years are there? Well, there would be y minus y sub b. Okay, I gotta get, because my y will be bigger than my y sub b. That subscript is not there. So that number of days, but there are leap days in it. So we would have to add on the number of leap days, L. L equal leap days. So we have, every year has 365 days. Leap years have leap days, and so we want to add the leap days in those intervals. Okay, so our leap days, we had a formula for that. because leap day, the number of leap days is exactly the same as the number of leap years, and the number of leap days first in the interval from y minus from 1 to y minus 1 inclusive will be leap years of y, which is y minus 1 integer divided by 4 minus y minus 1 integer divided by 100 plus y minus 1 integer divided by 400. Okay. Now the leap years that occur before our base year are leap years of y sub b. So these will be y sub b minus 1 divided by 4 minus y sub b minus 1 divided by 100 plus y sub b minus 1 divided by 400. Okay. So my L in this case is going to be leap years of y minus leap years y sub b, whatever our base date is. Okay, and so I'll come back here. Let's see. So to see it all at once, our ord of dmy will be equal to little ord of dmy plus, okay, leap years of y minus leap years of y sub b. Obviously, you don't have to have good handwriting to be a math teacher.